Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this Flawless Pro. This is great for shaving all those areas without any need of a razor or waxing. This is an 18 karat gold plated painless hair remover, discreet and portable. Alright, so right here we have the Flawless Pro by Finishing Touch. This is the Parisian Blue. It is battery powered. It has one lithium ion battery that is included. So it is an 18 gold plated and has a little information here on the side. 18 gold plated, ultra precision, double ring headed, continuous around the face so you never miss a hair. This is an instant and painless facial hair removal, safe to use daily before makeup. It is a hypoallergenic and safe to the touch. It's discreet and it's also portable. So let's go ahead and make our way to the bottom to open up the box. So if you're looking for a painless way to get rid of unwanted facial hair and body hair, this is a great thing to pick up. It is hypoallergenic way to remove unwanted facial and body hair. It is discreet and stylish facial and body hair removal, sleek and discreet, so no one knows that you're really in your bag. It is gold standard in facial and hair removal for finishing touch. The Lumina from the world's #1 facial hair remover for women, which comes flawless, a revolutionary device which erases facial hair instantly. So here is the block to charge it up. This is where you'll plug into the USB. Which you do get a USB charging wire. Let's go ahead and remove this little cardboard. So the 18 gold plated head is hyperallergenic and gentle on all skin types. It has a built-in light so you'll never miss a hair. So right here you'll see it says Flawless. This is your standard 110 for the US. And you have some battery information here on the back. And then you have the charging cable. This is a USB cable. So this just plugs on the bottom of the razor itself. And then you have the little brush to clean out the little hairs from the head. And then you have the Flawless Pro right here. This is the Parisian Blue. So, and then the charger's right at the bottom. So you can see it does have a built-in light. You just push this up and the light turns on. And this is an 18 karat gold plated. You can see the light right there. So the great thing about this is you won't get no nicks, redness, or irritation. A finish as smooth as waxing. And with a facial hair gone, your makeup application is easy and flawless. For flawless feel and flawless finish, you can trust a finishing touch Lumina Flawless. This already has a battery already installed, which is a lithium ion. So it lasts pretty long between charges. And you can see the heads move right here. They do have replacement heads, so that is no problem. You just twist this off and you can replace the head. And then that's where the hair will be captured in. You can just go ahead and clean it out with a little brush. And there's the little motor in there. So you just take the little brush and clean from the bottom to get all the hairs out. And just snap it in here and twist it. And it'll lock on. You can see that this 18 karat gold plated, it looks really nice, especially with the blue Persian color. The great thing about this that I like, it is discreet and it's portable. You can take it wherever you want to go instead of waxing where you'll get all these wax residue left on your legs. It's very lightweight. At the bottom, if you remove this sticker, you can see the charger. It doesn't take that long to charge and it does last a long time. So you just plug it in here. And there's your regular plug. I would say that this is a nice razor. I've used this for a while now, and I definitely like this. It's better than any of the razors I've had. I don't have to worry about any nicks or cuts, and I can take it with me anywhere I go. It's just super lightweight. In fact, it looks like more like a lipstick than it does a razor. I would say if you're looking for a good razor that does no nicks or cuts, I would definitely say check this one out. This is a nice one. This one right here, the Pro version, does have the battery included, where the other ones you have to put batteries in, but this one has a lithium ion battery, so I would go ahead and check this one out.